The cosmos beckons. It calls to us with the allure of the unknown. With billions of galaxies, each teeming with stars and planets, the possibility of life beyond Earth is a question that has captivated humanity for centuries. Could we be alone in this vast universe? Or do other forms of intelligence exist, perhaps looking up at the same stars and pondering the same cosmic mysteries? Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a testament to our innate curiosity. We yearn to understand our place in the cosmos. We long to connect with other intelligent beings, to share knowledge and experiences. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and our journey to unravel its secrets has only just begun. For millennia, we have looked to the stars with a sense of wonder and awe. We have crafted stories and myths about celestial beings and otherworldly visitors. But it is only in recent decades, armed with the tools of modern science and technology, that we have been able to truly begin our search for extraterrestrial life. From radio telescopes scanning the heavens to robotic explorers traversing the surface of Mars, we are actively seeking signs of life beyond our pale blue dot. The quest for alien intelligence is a journey into the unknown, a journey that challenges our preconceived notions and pushes the boundaries of our understanding. It is a journey filled with both promise and uncertainty. Before we can embark on a search for intelligence beyond Earth, we must first grapple with a fundamental question: what exactly is intelligence? On our own planet, life has evolved in countless forms, each adapted to its environment in unique and remarkable ways. From the intricate communication networks of ants to the problem-solving abilities of crows, intelligence manifests itself in a diverse array of species. Yet when we think of extraterrestrial intelligence, we often default to our own limited perspective. We imagine beings that resemble ourselves, with similar cognitive abilities and sensory experiences. But the universe is far more creative than our human imaginations. Alien intelligence, if it exists, could be vastly different from anything we have ever encountered. It is possible that alien life forms may have evolved in ways that defy our current understanding of biology and physics. Perhaps they communicate through telepathy or manipulate energy in ways we can only dream of. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence must be open-minded and expansive. We must be willing to shed our anthropocentric biases and embrace the possibility of life as we don't know it. Only then can we hope to comprehend the true diversity of intelligence that may exist in the cosmos. Throughout human history, cultures across the globe have gazed upon the night sky and pondered the existence of celestial beings. Ancient myths and legends are replete with tales of gods descending from the heavens, of otherworldly visitations, and of advanced civilizations existing beyond our earthly realm. While these stories may be rooted in mythology, they speak to a deep-seated human fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. Consider, for example, the ancient Egyptians, who believed that the stars were the souls of the dead sailing across the celestial river, or the Dogon people of Mali, whose intricate astronomical knowledge includes the existence of Sirius B, a white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye. The Dogon claimed that their knowledge was passed down from Namo, amphibious beings who visited Earth from the Sirius star system. While these stories are often dismissed as mere folklore, some have interpreted them as evidence of ancient alien contact. Could it be that our ancestors witnessed something extraordinary in the skies above? Something they could not explain with their limited scientific understanding? Could these ancient myths be distorted memories of actual events, passed down through generations? These questions, while intriguing, remain highly speculative. It is important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism, relying on scientific evidence and rigorous analysis. However, the enduring presence of these stories in cultures around the world serves as a reminder of our enduring fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The 20th century witnessed a surge in reported sightings of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. From the infamous Roswell incident of 1947 to countless other accounts of strange lights and unexplainable aerial phenomena, UFOs have captured the public imagination and fueled speculation about alien visitations. While the vast majority of UFO sightings can be attributed to misidentified aircraft, weather phenomena, or hoaxes, there remain a small percentage of cases that defy easy explanation. These unexplained sightings have led some to believe that we are being visited by extraterrestrial beings, perhaps engaging in covert surveillance or even attempting to make contact. Proponents of this view point to the advanced technology displayed by some UFOs, their seemingly impossible maneuvers, and the consistency of certain details in eyewitness accounts. However, it is essential to approach these claims with caution. The lack of concrete evidence, coupled with the tendency for human perception to be flawed and unreliable, makes it difficult to draw definitive conclusions. Furthermore, the stigma associated with UFO sightings often discourages serious scientific inquiry, hindering our ability to separate fact from fiction. Despite the challenges, there have been attempts to study UFO phenomena scientifically. Organizations like the Mutual UFO Network, MUFON, and the National UFO Reporting Center, NUFORCE, collect and analyze reports of UFO sightings, while scientists like the late J. Allen Hynek, an astronomer who worked with the U.S. Air Force's Project Blue Book, have attempted to bring a more rigorous approach to the study of UFOs. Given the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of stars and planets it contains, it seems statistically improbable that Earth is the only planet harboring life. This is the crux of the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously posed the question, "Where is everybody?" If intelligent life is indeed common in the universe, Fermi reasoned, then we should have encountered evidence of it by now. Even if interstellar travel is difficult, even if only a tiny fraction of civilizations achieve the technological capability to traverse the stars, the vastness of time should have allowed at least one alien civilization to leave its mark on the galaxy. Yet despite our best efforts, we have found no definitive evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. No radio signals, no alien artifacts, no signs of galactic empires or interstellar probes. The universe appears to be eerily silent. There are numerous proposed solutions to the Fermi paradox. Perhaps interstellar travel is far more difficult than we imagine, or perhaps intelligent civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they can reach out to the stars. It is also possible that alien civilizations are deliberately hiding from us, observing us from afar, without revealing their presence. Or perhaps, as some have suggested, we are truly alone in the universe, a solitary flicker of consciousness in an otherwise barren cosmos. The Fermi paradox remains one of the most perplexing mysteries in science, a stark reminder of the limits of our current understanding. Undeterred by the Fermi paradox, scientists continue to search for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. One of the most promising avenues of research is radio astronomy. Radio waves, unlike light, can penetrate interstellar dust and gas, making them ideal for long-distance communication. Since the 1960s, scientists have been scanning the heavens for artificial radio signals, hoping to detect a telltale sign of an alien civilization. Projects like SETI at Home, which utilizes the processing power of millions of personal computers worldwide, have analyzed vast amounts of data from radio telescopes, searching for even the faintest hint of an artificial signal. So far, our search for extraterrestrial radio signals has yielded no definitive results. However, there have been a few tantalizing hints, such as the famous WOW signal detected in 1977. This strong narrowband radio signal, which lasted for 72 seconds and originated from the constellation Sagittarius, remains unexplained to this day. While the WOW signal could have been caused by a natural phenomenon, its characteristics were consistent with what we might expect from an artificial extraterrestrial transmission. The search for similar signals continues, with new and more powerful radio telescopes coming online all the time. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence is often limited by our own technological capabilities. We tend to look for signs of technology that we ourselves understand, such as radio waves or spacecraft. But what if alien civilizations have developed technologies far beyond our comprehension? Imagine, for example, a civilization that has harnessed the power of dark energy, the mysterious force that is accelerating the expansion of the universe, or a civilization that can manipulate space-time itself, creating wormholes or warping the fabric of reality. Such technologies would be indistinguishable from magic to our current scientific understanding. It is also possible that alien civilizations have transcended the limitations of physical form altogether, perhaps existing as pure energy or consciousness. Such beings might be able to travel the universe at the speed of thought, unconstrained by the laws of physics as we know them. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence must be as boundless as our imaginations. We must be willing to consider the possibility of technologies that seem like science fiction today, for the universe is full of surprises. As Section 8, the challenge of recognition. Could we even recognize alien intelligence? One of the greatest challenges in our search for extraterrestrial intelligence is the possibility that we might not even recognize it when we see it. Our definition of intelligence is inherently anthropocentric, based on our own limited experiences and cognitive abilities. What if alien intelligence manifests itself in ways that are completely foreign to us? What if it operates on timescales that are vastly different from our own, too slow or too fast for us to perceive? What if it is so advanced that it appears as incomprehensible randomness to our limited minds? Consider, for example, the possibility of a planet-sized superorganism, its vast intelligence distributed across a global network of interconnected life forms, or a civilization that has abandoned individuality altogether, merging into a single hive-minded entity. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence must be open to the full spectrum of possibilities, acknowledging that our current understanding of intelligence may be woefully inadequate. We must be prepared to encounter the truly alien, the fundamentally different, and to expand our definitions of life and consciousness in the process. Section 9, Dimensions Unknown, Exploring the Possibilities of Higher Realities. Modern physics suggests that our universe may consist of more than the 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension that we are familiar with. String theory, for example, posits the existence of at least 10 dimensions, most of which are curled up and hidden from our perception. What if alien civilizations have evolved the ability to access and manipulate these higher dimensions? Such beings might possess abilities that seem godlike to us, such as the ability to teleport, to see through time, or to manipulate matter and energy at a fundamental level. Imagine a civilization that exists outside of our space-time continuum altogether, observing our universe as a 4-dimensional object, much like we might observe a 2-dimensional drawing. From their perspective, our past, present, and future might be laid out before them, a static and unchanging tapestry. The possibility of higher dimensions adds a whole new layer of complexity to our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It challenges our very notion of reality and forces us to confront the limits of our current understanding of the universe. Section 10. Contact, Implications, and Possibilities. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would be one of the most profound events in human history, forever altering our place in the cosmos. The implications of such a discovery are far-reaching, touching upon every aspect of our lives, from our scientific understanding of the universe to our religious beliefs and our place in the cosmic order. Contact with an alien civilization could come in many forms. It could be a deliberate message received via radio waves, a chance encounter with an alien spacecraft, or even the discovery of artifacts left behind by an ancient extraterrestrial civilization. The nature of this contact would likely depend on the technological and evolutionary disparity between our 2 civilizations. A highly advanced civilization might choose to observe us from afar, much like anthropologists studying a primitive tribe, or they might attempt to communicate with us on our own level, patiently sharing their knowledge and technology. Conversely, we might encounter a civilization that is less technologically advanced than our own, or one that is hostile and expansionist. The possibilities are as varied as the vastness of space itself. Section 11. The Cosmic Mirror. What alien intelligence could teach us about ourselves? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is not just about finding other beings in the universe. It is also a journey of self-discovery. By contemplating the possibilities of alien life, we are forced to confront our own assumptions about intelligence, consciousness, and the nature of reality. Contact with an alien civilization would challenge our most cherished beliefs, forcing us to reevaluate our place in the cosmos. It would confront us with our own limitations, but it would also offer us a glimpse of the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Imagine the scientific breakthroughs that could be achieved through collaboration with an alien civilization. Imagine the philosophical insights we could gain from understanding a completely different perspective on the universe. Imagine the cultural exchange that could occur, enriching both societies and expanding our understanding of art, music, and literature. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would not just change our world, it would change who we are as a species. Section 12. A universe of possibilities. The ongoing search for meaning in the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is ultimately a search for meaning in the cosmos. It is a testament to our unquenchable thirst for knowledge, our desire to understand our place in the grand scheme of things, and our hope that we are not alone in this vast and awe-inspiring universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain open to the infinite possibilities that await us. The universe is full of wonders, and the discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would be one of the greatest adventures in human history. So, let us continue to explore, to question, and to dream. Let us never lose our sense of wonder and our thirst for knowledge. For in the vastness of space, anything is possible, and the greatest discoveries may yet lie ahead.